And as I started to say before, you can find your heart here at the Harvest Festival. Debbie Arambula does, in addition to other fine painting, does hearts, custom hearts. These are some sketches for complete works that she's doing. This is what, a single lady?
Yeah.
And this is a whole family, and she's going to go back and do complete works. She also does them on the spot. So you're going to do my heart?
Portrait.
Okay, so
Yes.
you're going to do a heart portrait, and she does this by asking a couple of questions. She's already asked me a few.
Yes, I've
What's-
asked a few questions.
Okay, what else do you need to know?
Where do you love to go the most? Is it the beach or the...
Oh, the beach.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Anything
And,
else?
Yeah, what's your favorite food?
Seafood.
Seafood,
I love
of
seafood,
course.
sushi, things like that. Okay, so she's going to work on creating my heart on Campbell, and she is an artist who paints hearts. She does people's hearts. She talks to them, interviews them, and then creates the hearts on a canvas. And she interviewed me, and ladies and gentlemen, this is my heart. Now, could you explicate for us, to sort of give us an exegesis on how this came to be my heart?
Absolutely. This right here is the ocean because you love being with the ocean, and I know that you love your family because we talk. So for me, the red is your personality, the exotic places that you like to go, the love that you have for your wife and your kids.
Oh.
You have a very gentle soul, so there's a lot of tangerine and a lot of light, you know.
Oh, that's nice. Now, another question. The red, now, one of the things you asked me is what color wine do I prefer, and I mentioned red. Did that have any factor at all
Absolutely.
in the color?
I'm a red wine drinker, too.
Okay, so Debbie does these custom hearts. She does them on the spot, or she'll do sketches, and she also does some other beautiful artwork.
This is called Tuscany Dreams.
She does a lot of Tuscany work.
This was inspired by Hannah Winery in the Hillsburg region.
Okay, so one of the many artists that are here at the Harvest Festival, and you know, bring your imagination, bring your shopping list, bring your wallet.
Recover what?
Back to you.
Okay, thank you very much, Henry.
I'm going to give her some extra information about you, gentle soul, Henry.
You know what Isabel says, that you didn't there are some things you didn't quite capture about me. Isabel?
Aren't there some thistles in there? Some thistles in the heart? Thistles.
Thistles? Thistles? I don't know that she does thistle, but...
Well, wait a minute.
coming
I'm
out of the
supposed
heart.
to inject the spirit of the culture.
That's right.
Okay.
And by the way, Isabel, she doesn't include black, okay, at the center of the heart.
I didn't say you were mournful, Henry.
No black in my palette.